mandeja, lo beambakam yajami yanandeja.
Chaos and confusion are polarized and becoming the final conflict. That was the prophecy in this reality. Your being is being raised in vibration by the power of increasing multidimensional rays of awakening. Everything you are doing is part of the process in your world, society, and personal life. You have chosen and have found everyone in the world is being overwhelmed by the increase in information, energy, and input in your life. When you are overwhelmed by the news, situations, crises, dramas, and even positive learning and experiences, you may need to sleep and recharge your energy and light body. Give yourself the space to rest and come back with renewed vigor to be the Wayshowers and enlighten yourself and open the new doors of awareness. The codes implanted within your body are geometric, sacred structures of the keys that open information systems that are part of the languages of light. In crop circles, you are awakened to new geometric forms that focus you to a new global paradigm shift. Each one is a key, whether made by humans or extraterrestrials, it does not matter. Each message in the media, life experience, news event, or dream brings information necessary at the moment as a crossroads of energy and information. There is magic held at the crossroads of communion with currents of energy. The level of emotion and mental vibration coordinates the energy streams of sound and light. You are each learning how to move through experiences by changing the information streams of sound and light. You are creators of strength of tone and flow of melody. Your information streams are purposefully communicated and intentionally aligned within experiential content and contextualized within related energy fields of beings attracted to your light. Your body is a multidimensional instrument that receives and interprets vibrations of sound and light and then radiates and transmits co-created energetic information streams. You are all channels that are connected to vibrations and frequencies from many worlds, dimensions, and realms. Everything that you do is the energy modulations where you bring energy streams together in communion that birth harmonic interplay. Telepathy is higher frequency communications that operate through non-physical interdimensional modulations above lower stable level linear physical vibrations. Sound intensifies through octaves and through harmonic increase following geometric melodic, circular, and spiraling patterns. Multidimensionality brings together the union of the male and female incarnations of the twin flame design. The vibrations of the energies within your being are coming into harmonization as you move closer into multidimensional telepathic awareness of your separated spirits. The twin flames are balancing their power in the outer world and inner world. The white light calls both to synthesize and collection and meditation in the shining light of oneness. In the history of the world, the male vibrations came into power 5,000 years ago with the beginning of the national cycle of the Mayan calendar. In the land of Sumer, the transition in society was managed by beings who sought power of emotion. The law of separation was invoked and guided conflict between men and women. These beings who held desire to raid emotional bodies of beings of Terra created turmoil between the races, religions, cultures, sexes, and the intuitive and analytical mind. The schism between the twin flames of male and female disempowered both. The new vibration requires that the intuitive mind and the analytical mind be harmonized. The frequency of love is empowered by light. When love is brought into your life, the higher light frequency can be utilized. There is an increase from the central sun, the galactic heart, and from the center of the spinning cross of the great tree of the core of the galaxy. This energy breathes into you higher light, which is to elicit love from the center of your being within the cave of your heart. You can feel the energy spin through your being, and you awaken when you love more. Love, love, love. Let the light of the mind inspire you to become informed and connect with the multi-dimensional infusion of the Prime Creator's light that is the source of all that is. The light of cosmic energy that emanates from the center of the galaxy is the Creator's energy. You are to awaken to the reality that the heart of the galaxy is the loving, powerful, creative, blissful, joyous light of the universe. The science of the world sees the center of the galaxy as a monster black hole that devours stars. The concern for the ignorance you have concerning your universe is only diminished by the humor we enjoy, as we know you will see through your misconception and awaken to know the grand center has nothing but divine love emanating from the center of each galaxy. Love is the creative power behind the universe, and light streams forth into the mind of your being to see and be love, be love, be love, be love. When you connect with the love frequency, you begin to extend it to all levels of your multidimensional self. Your being and everyone that you share existence with is creating a massive healing that will completely alter your reality and bring you into joy, and you will resonate with higher frequencies in a vibration of ecstasy. When you connect with the love frequency, you begin to extend to all levels of your multidimensional self. In all cultures of your world, you have the knowledge of the pillar of light. It is the shining light of the portal into the other dimensions of your being. You are to center within the pillar of light and let it spin around you in counter-rotating fields that create the interdimensional doorway, 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 doorway. The pranayama of breath control activates the spin as it empowers the emotional light body to enlighten the encoded filaments in the genetic, atomic, and etheric body through conscious awareness and emotional sentience to heal the body. Healing and spinning the energy centers of the body in harmony is holistic health, and this is the holy body of the risen being. Bring oxygen into your body and allow a cosmic acceleration of energy to carry your mind through imagination and emotion into the higher multidimensional experience. Breathe, hold, and feel the ground of your being center with the earth as your body harmonizes with creation. The oceans, the lands, the stars all move with your energy as the blissful power of joy creates life from love into light, and from light into thought forms and into your manifestation.